Hi kids, it's Nevan here. Are you ready for a new story today? Great. Today I'm going to tell you a story called The Farmer and His Sons. Once upon a time there was a farmer who had 5 sons. These sons were very strong and hard-working. But guess what? They always quarreled and fought with each other. The farmer was really sad about this. He wanted his sons to stop fighting and live happily together. He tried giving them advice. He even scolded them, but nothing seemed to work. One day the farmer had an idea. He called all his sons together and showed them a bundle of sticks. He said, "I want any of you to break these sticks without separating them from the bundle." The sons were curious, and each of them tried one by one. They used all their strength and skill, but guess what? None of them could break the sticks. Then the wise old farmer separated the sticks and gave each son a single stick. He asked them to break the single sticks, and snap, they broke the sticks easily. The farmer then said, "A single stick by itself is weak, but it is strong as long as it is tied up in a bundle." Just like that, you will be strong if you are united. But you will be weak if you are divided. The sons finally understood the lesson their father was teaching them. So kids, the moral of the story is, united we stand, divided we fall. Stay together, help each other, and be kind. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more fun stories. Thanks again, and see you next time.